Hello guys, I'm back again for another recipe. It's chicken curry. Let's put the luya or the ginger and next is the sibuyas. Yan. Halo-halo and then put the sibuyas. Yan. Kailangan gisang-gisa yung ginger para ang lasa ng ating ulam. And then the second is my garlic, ginisang garlic. It's already ginisa. Mix all together again. Then after that, we put the chicken breast. This is a chicken breast para hindi masyadong mataba. No cholesterol. Only the oil cholesterol. Mix all together, palambutin, and gisahin maigi. Then after that, most gisahin maigi, we put a little bit of 1 cup of water para palambutin pa more. That's it. And after that, pag malambot na, we put the carrots together with the patatas para sabay na silang maluto. Then, we put the coconut oil. 1 can of coconut oil. Then, a little bit of tubig para lumambot pa ang patatas at ang carrots. That puts the pepper, the turmeric, and the curry powder, and the salt to taste. Ayan. Ganyan lang kadami ako maglagay ng salt kasi ayaw ko masyadong maalat. Then, after that, pag malambot na po siya, ayan na siya, let's put the pepper. Yan, ganyan lang kadali ang gumawa ng chicken curry. Yummy! Kain na! That's it! That's my chicken curry. Thanks for watching! Bye-bye!